Hi there! Luckily, a few days ago I managed to find some time to complete the stage of redesigning my little machine. And in this episode I will show you how I rebuild the spindle drive, how I choose the components of the new V-belt transmission system, and why did I even take care of it. The best answer to this question is size. One of my basic assumptions was that the milling machine together with the housing should take up as little space as possible, so that I could transport it without disassembly. As you can see, the maximum height of the milling machine after reworking the Z-axis is 809 mm. Thanks to the rotation of the motor and use of a belt transmission, its height drops to 700 mm, almost 11 cm less. Another reason is the noise generated by the original gears. The belt transmission is one of the quietest, so there will be for sure a big drop in the noise level. Firstly, I did a research and found out some information about the different types of belts. To be honest, I did not choose the best one, but rather inexpensive one and easily available, so that in the event of a failure, I could quickly buy a broken belt or pulley. The manufacturer has placed the motor on the top of the spindle housing, which meshes with the spindle two-stage gear that is placed inside the housing. After removing the visible gears, I will be able to rotate the motor by 180 degrees from the original setting and use the V-belt transmission system. I decided to go for SPA type belt because it was easy to get small size wheels and short belts, so the whole design would be really compact. Knowing that the maximum motor speed is 5600 rpm and the maximum spindle speed before the redesign is 3000 rpm, I have to choose gear ratio not so far from the original one to not overheat and destroy spindle bearings. I choose pulleys with diameters of 50 and 71 mm, so the maximum speed of the spindle will be about 4000 rpm. Of course, this speed will not be used very often, so hopefully life of the spindle bearings will not be very shortened. We'll see that.